Hey everyone, welcome back to Chainlink Explained Daily. If you've been following crypto, you know things are heating up. And today we're diving into one of the most important projects bridging traditional finance and blockchain, Chainlink. Something big is happening. After years of quietly powering smart contracts across blockchains, Chainlink is finally making waves in traditional finance. The Bitwise Chainlink ETF, ticker CLNK, just appeared on the Depository Trust and Clearing Corporation, the same platform that handles settlement for Wall Street giants. This could be a turning point for institutional access to Link, but here's the twist. While institutions are moving in, on-chain data shows retail investors are still selling. So what's really going on? Let's break it down. DTCC website, ETF registration visuals, stock exchange floor, slow motion of Link tokens. Being listed on the DTCC doesn't mean the ETF is trading yet, but it's a critical step. Every ETF that eventually trades on U.S. exchanges first appears here for clearing and settlement setup. CLNK's presence signals one thing clearly: preparation for SEC approval is underway. For investors, that's a green light, a signal that institutions are gearing up for exposure to Chainlink. And it's not happening in isolation. The DTCC has also begun testing Chainlink's CCIP, cross-chain interoperability protocol, which links financial data and digital assets across blockchains. Chainlink isn't just being listed, it's being woven into the future of finance. Federal Reserve FinTech Conference clips, Sergey Nazarov speaking, JP Morgan and Amazon logos. Adding to the momentum, co-founder Sergey Nazarov recently shared the stage with executives from JP Morgan and Amazon at the Federal Reserve's FinTech Conference. They discussed the convergence of global payments and digital assets, essentially the blueprint for the future of money. Chainlink's presence there says it all. This isn't just a crypto tool anymore. It's becoming critical infrastructure in global finance. High-level visibility like this builds trust and sets the stage for long-term adoption. On-chain graphs showing declining exchange supply, market charts, social media visuals. But here's the paradox. Despite all the bullish signals, retail investors have been selling. On-chain data shows that smaller holders continue offloading Link. Analysts call this accumulation phase behavior. According to Clairhawk Capital, this is classic. Big money can't buy everything at once. They use hype, memes, even short-term dips to quietly accumulate while retail looks the other way. What looks like weakness could actually be the calm before a major breakout. B-roll whale wallet tracker, ocean waves, Link tokens rising. While retail hesitates, whales are buying. Large holders have added over 4 million Link in just 2 weeks, driving the exchange supply ratio, Link sitting on exchanges, to its lowest level ever. Arca research confirms Link balances on exchanges are in freefall, hitting a 2-year low. This is often a precursor to a major upward move as long-term holders prepare for higher valuations. Futuristic city visuals, financial data overlays, global digital networks. With the Bitwise Chainlink ETF on the DTCC, institutional exposure isn't hypothetical. It's happening. Combine that with whale accumulation and Chainlink's policy-level presence, and it's clear. Momentum is quietly building beneath the surface. At the time of recording, Link trades around 15.93 cents, up roughly 3% in 24 hours. But the story isn't today's price. It's about positioning for the future. Institutions invest for decades, not days. Outro animation, calm background music. So while retail sentiment remains cautious, smart money is already moving. The real question, are you watching charts or the infrastructure being built behind them? Pay attention to what's happening off-chain, not just on it. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit like, subscribe for deep dive crypto insights, and share your thoughts in the comments. Do you think Chainlink's ETF could spark the next wave of institutional adoption? Stay informed, stay smart, and invest with insight.